Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I would like to show you that how you glide off the subscribe link of your channel, because on the basis of that sometimes viewer are coming also to view a watch of your video, and they already decide that what kind of the quality of the video of your channel will be uploaded. So that's why if you are a newcomer on a YouTube, then of course it should be in a hidden. Otherwise, that anyone who will come to watch your video, and if actually once so your actually subscriber is not up to the mark, so video quality will be cheaper. So that kind of, on the basis of that, just they will decide and they will just attempt to the watch of your video. So that's why how you will hide it, just I would like to show you in this video tutorial. That's all. So see, if this one I would like to hide in the here, so how will for temporary, see, just I would like to show you that here, suppose this is my channel, and when you enter the password, then and after of course entering the password, then see, you will reach here. Then you have to click here on that logo and click on YouTube Studio Beta, and after clicking on Studio Beta, then just come on create a Studio Classic, and on it just I will click one click, and then just skip it, no problem at all. And after skipping here, then you have to come in a channel and click on channel. Then we will come on advanced. In advanced you have to come, just scroll down, and now see, display the number of the people subscribed to my channel, and don't display the number of the people subscribed to my channel. So this is a very important here, my dear. Just you have to click here, then nobody will be able to see, because it won't be accessible to display there. That's how many subscribers are subscribed of your channel. Yeah, they are subscribed to your channel. Here one thing, that if you would like to have the comment on your channel, then allow my channel to appear in other channel recommendation. Don't allow to the channel to the appear to other channel recommendation. So actually see, sometimes link is going to be the share, as we know that, of your channel. So if you would like to, if anyone would like to the share of your channel, then of course here just to click allow, otherwise don't allow. And the comment, of course the comment box, actually your video, actually on your video, actually if you would like to just disable of comment options, then here is also, but I will show you in next video tutorial. Yeah, in this video tutorial I don't have the much time to show you. So this is all about the here, just do a disable and just save it. And if I save, then of course after saving it won't be displayed there. That's how many subscribers are on your channel. And on the basis of that, of course the viewer will come that if it's a hidden, then of course they will start to click on your video, and they will start to see that what kind of the quality of video is on your channel, and if you are able to convince of that viewer according to the requirement or not. So this is all about in this video tutorial, about that how to hide off your subscriber on your channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and it's my humble request, then please like and subscribe and then share of my channel, because I am new on the YouTube's, and so Of course, my dear, if my video has been benefited to you in any way, then please like and subscribe to my channel. For that, further it will inspire to me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys. Have a great time.